All right. One of the other big enhancement we have done is called business events. And under business events, we'll go to it under system management, business events. So this is an enhanced notification tool that allows us to create as many different business notifications based on, items changing in a table, a value changing. And you can also use, let's look at this one. I set up one, a percent of funding used. So I can set up a business event based on a value changing, and that value that changes is a calculated field. So I can set up a business event notification based on a field change, a new field value, a old value, a record change, or a specific field change. So you can use your imagination on what type of items throughout the system that you want to be notified about, or someone wants to be notified about. And you can set up a business event associated with that business event. You can set up what we call subscribers. I can set up an email notification, and the email notification, I can populate it with what information I want in that email. Or I can set up a mobile push notification, which will send out a notice to my phone to let me know, hey, in this case, a project or billing rule has reached a certain level of funding that I described. So now if we go back and since this is triggered, now let's look at, we'll first look at the email notification that went out. So I got a 75% email notification that went out. It went out to the user I selected, and here is the message that shows up in the email. This project has reached 88.0341% of funding. Very simple. You can put whatever information you want. You can access the fields from the inquiry to populate this, and so forth. Okay. On the push notification, I'm going to show it to you on my screen here. And so when that went out, this is what I received on my phone. The push notification, 75% funding. Here's my project, used 88.03% of funding. Very simple to do, and it really opens up a lot of areas that you will probably, having to run reports and do things like that to find certain information in the system